This double-sided magnet kit from FINDMAG delivers very strong pulling power for its compact diameter, making it well-suited for serious magnet fishing and recovery work in rivers, lakes, and docks. The dual-face design effectively doubles the active surface area, so it grabs onto metal targets more reliably than single-sided magnets when you are dragging or tossing from different angles. A sturdy eye bolt that threads directly into the steel housing makes setup straightforward and gives you a secure attachment point for ropes or carabiners during heavy pulls. The neodymium magnet is protected by a triple-layer plating and a steel cup, which helps resist rust, chipping, and cracking even with repeated use in wet, abrasive environments. Included storage and gift-ready presentation make it easy to keep the magnet, hardware, and rope organized between outings, and also make it a thoughtful choice for hobbyists just getting into magnet fishing. Beyond treasure hunting, this kit is also practical for lifting and retrieving drop tools, fasteners, and other ferrous parts around the garage, workshop, or yard.